right, guys. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rebecca Seward. I am Director of Mortgage Product at Ocrolus. Ocrolus is a leader in document automation in the financial services industry. We help mortgage lenders make complex decisions with AI-driven solutions. We transform unstructured data from borrower documents into actionable insights, reducing manual tasks and helping to improve accuracy. By automating workflows like classification, data extraction, and income verification, we enable lenders to significantly reduce cycle times and spend more time on high-value activities like building relationships with their borrowers and their referral partners. Additionally, our solutions help lenders stay ahead of rising origination costs while boosting efficiency to scale their business more effectively. The thing that sets Ocrolus apart from our competition is our unique human-in-the-loop approach. So we combine the efficiency of AI with the precision of human oversight. So while many automation solutions rely solely on machine learning, we implement human verifiers throughout key workflows to make sure that every single time we return a data point back to our lenders, it is provided with the highest level of accuracy, building trusts with our lenders. We believe that AI is a tool to assist the human decision makers. I heard in the panel earlier how there's a lot of skepticism around having an AI solution make the decision for you. So you'll see throughout my demo today how we're actually providing that level of trust to our lenders. So today I'm really excited to showcase two of our flagship products to you, Classify, which dramatically enhances the speed and accuracy of document indexing, and Analyze, which automates income calculations for wage earners, self-employed income users, rental properties, as well as for some common passive income types. Both of these solutions are integrated directly into Encompass, but we can also power your other loan origination systems through API technology. And we are just generally helping loan team members focus on more high-value tasks, minimizing errors, and helping to scale their business more effectively throughout that hiring and firing cycle. So everything starts in Encompass through the e-folder. Customers can upload documents either through a designated e-folder container, or we can collect documents from the unassigned folder. And we begin by classifying documents into designated containers that the lender gives to us. Lender A could choose to send pay stubs to a pay stubs folder. Lender B could choose to send pay stubs to an income folder. It's completely flexible to you and your business. But part of the value that we also bring is in actually transforming the actual name of the attachment. So we will take context from the document and put it into the name of the attachment within the e-folder location. So this really helps to streamline the whole document indexing and classification process. One of our lenders out of New Jersey had actually cited that this feature specifically had allowed for their underwriters to reduce manual touch points by 29%. So we have seen efficiency gains just with Classify alone. But then we navigate over to our dashboard through additional services. So we are integrated into Encompass through EPC. This allows us to be backwards compatible with the Smart Client, but also being ready for that shift over to Encompass on the web once ICE gets rid of the Developer Connect APIs. And so we're getting integrated directly into our dashboard UI, which can also be accessed through the web. So we land directly into our income solution. You can see here that we provide a couple of different key points that the lenders would need to focus on. We provide some insights to let you know things like, hey, the pay stub or the WVOE is older than 60 days. You may need something more recent. We can also provide different calculations depending on flexibility, depending on program, if you need to be more aggressive, less aggressive. The choice is ultimately left to the lender to make that decision on what income they want to write back into Encompass. For our self-employed, we have structured this to look exactly like the Fannie Mae 1084 cash flow analysis or the ENACT forms that underwriters are commonly used to using. We'll start with individual income return. We'll scroll down to partnership income, S-corp earnings, regular corp earnings, et cetera. And what I've heard a lot from lenders is their frustration when they are trying to adopt technology, why so often they're not seeing the reduction in processing costs that they were expecting. And the reason is because underwriters ultimately have their name attached to the approval. They are going to want to review the income that was computed by the machine. So we give them the tools to be able to do all of that within this screen directly. If they want to verify any of the data points that the Ocrolus AI picked up, they can click on the origin and see not only the document, but the exact line item from which that data point was extracted. This enables the human behavior of wanting to trust but verify the system. So ultimately, they're still in charge of making the decision, but they can see exactly how the AI solution came up with that decision. We also have rental properties, which has been one of our greatest triumphs since we've released this product. We have a lender out of North Carolina who cited that they ran 40 rental properties through this rental product, and we got it down to the penny. So we are highly accurate, and that of course can be a massive afternoon killer if you have a borrower who is either perpetually unemployed or someone who has a lot of rental properties. So that same North Carolina customer did a case study with us where we observed that we were saving $90,000 in processing costs for them, as well as reducing cycle times over processing of 8,500 hours. We additionally saw that underwriters were going from several hundred touch points to less than 100 per loan. So this is providing so many efficiency gains, allowing lenders to stay ahead of those rising origination costs and ultimately helping them scale their business more effectively with technology when those interest rates go up and down, as we all know that they do. So once a decision has been made, once they choose an income calculation, they can of course import this back into Encompass, and then it will write back to the WVOE where the line item was expected, whether it was for self-employed or the wage earner. So both of these products, classification and analyze specifically, integrated directly into the system of record, allow our lenders to make faster, more accurate decisions that are less focused on these remedial tasks that they need to do. They're spending more time building relationships with their borrowers, building relationships with their referral partners, and ultimately driving more accurate decisions. So if you guys are interested in learning more about this product or some of the other things that we're working on at Ocrolus, we'll be happy to speak with you at booth number 1. Thank you.